What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mills and I'm back with another sneaker review for you guys. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Cinders. This is not the reflective pair. I saw this morning when I woke up that the reflective pair actually released last night on a shock drop on Yeezy Supply. Unfortunately I was not even aware of it. I was watching a movie, phone wasn't even next to me. So anyways, but on to the non-reflective pair. Let's get into it. Here you have it, guys. These are the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Cinders. And as you can see from the video, you got that stripe right there, that see-through mesh stripe that they all have. These are not the reflectives. As I said, I was not able to get those, so these actually have the same bottoms as the Earthed 350s that came out last month. But I don't know, this is a weird colorway. It's not black. It might come up black in the video, but it's a very like I don't know how to explain this colorway, but it's definitely not black. It has more of a like I would say like a brownish, maroonish type color to it. But you got your your knit upper is not that see-through. I mean, not that showing one. It's the one that's sealed completely all over. This one actually has a pull tab. As we all know, the Desert Sages that I reviewed last week did not have a pull tab. These came with a pull tab. Not really sure why. I mean, they just keep on picking whenever they want to put a pull tab or not. As you can see in there, you got your Adidas Yeezy on the insole there. Black insole, I believe. Yep, that is a black insole, even though the shoe is not black. They went with a black insole on these. Bottoms is, like I said, like the Earth colorway. Same kind of bottoms as those. And then you have your three stripes right here on the back. Those are always pretty much, I think every single pair they're reflective. I haven't seen a pair that they're not reflective. But this was just a quick review for you guys to keep you guys entertained during this whole coronavirus pandemic thing. I actually am working, so in between working, I'm trying to make some videos just to feel a little bit more on the normal side. So yeah, this is a 12.5. 12.5 is what I wear now. 13 is too big, 12 is too tight, so this is actually kind of on the perfect part of being able to get the 12.5. I hit on these on the Adidas raffle, the Adidas app raffle that they always have, so I was able to hit on these. But other shoes, same thing. No, not too many differences on the shoe from one shoe to the next. Obviously it's the same thing, just left and the right. Pull tab, can't go wrong with a pull tab. Yeah, this one looks good with a pull tab actually. I might be rocking these pretty soon. Make no sense in holding off on these. I mean, rocking them, I guess, to work. That's about it, because I ain't going nowhere. I don't go out. I ain't doing no outfit grids because there's really no point. I ain't going nowhere. As an essential worker, from work I come home, I try to stay off the streets as much as possible. If I ain't gotta do any shopping, I don't do any grocery shopping, and that's about it. I'm trying to help, not hurt by being outside, trying to dress fly just to go outside to do some random stuff. But if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Until the next one, hope everybody stays healthy and safe. Keep washing them hands. Keep wearing those masks. Try to stay 6 feet away from people. It really makes a difference. I know some people are not taking this serious, still not taking it serious, and we already up in April and people still not taking it serious, but I gotta take this serious, man, so we can get over this and we can get back out, start wearing our outfits, wearing our kicks again out in the streets and enjoying life. Until the next video, I'm out. Peace.